Silence is Not Absence by Hissan A.K. In the gaps of words, silence breathes life into our true selves. It's a presence felt even when no one speaks. Silence isn't an emptiness. It's a space where the heart's whispers find their place. Silence isn't absence. It's the pause where truth collects. A moment to breathe, to let go of the noise, where the heart can speak without words, and we start to hear the whispers of our own soul. Amidst the chaos, a stillness hides, waiting to be found. A refuge from the world's deafening tides, where we can be alone with ourselves. In silence's depths, we hear the I am, the voice that cuts through life's noise. Silence is where healing starts to weave its magic, threads of brokenness into patterns we can believe in. It's the canvas where our true selves appear, without pretenses or masks. In quiet, we meet our deepest strength, the part that knows beyond life's length. Silence isn't empty. It's full of light and possibility. A space where presence fills the night, and we're not alone. We let go of needing to define or explain, and let the mystery of self be. The noise fades out. The heart's aglow with a quiet knowing. In the stillness, I am begins to know itself. We're no longer seeking answers outside. We become the silence we abide in, where absence of noise is the presence of soul, and in the quiet, we are made whole. No need to fill the spaces left. Silence is where our truest self is met and loved. In the pause, we find our way back to ourselves, to the heart of who we are, day by day. Silence is not absence. It's the space where we breathe, where our true essence finds its home.